So here we are going to the next country. We flew from Innsbruck airport and I must say we didn't have the best weather because it was super windy and we experienced quite a turbulence. But anyway, I always look forward to flying despite the weather. Our trip was in April, that is supposed to be the driest month in the Netherlands, if it's even possible. But spoiler alert, it rained a lot, so an umbrella is a must for the Netherlands. So we landed in Amsterdam and the first thing to do is to reach the city. You can take a direct train, so it's pretty straightforward. The only thing, the price depends on the distance and can get expensive really fast. Around a quarter of the Netherlands lies below sea level, making it one of the lowest countries in the world. The famous saying goes, God created the world, but the Dutch created the Netherlands, due to their extensive system of dikes, canals and pumps. I look like a grandma. I think I should have taken my hat or something like that. We are visiting a very special place. It's a floating market. I told him that I can't speak when he's watching because he's watching so intensively. So anyway, here is the market. You can buy all sorts of flowers there and we are going to see what's there. In the 17th century, the Dutch experienced tulip mania, a period during which tulip bulbs were highly valued and traded for a high price. Fortunately, nowadays people can purchase a wide range of tulip bulbs in different colors and varieties for an affordable price. We came to dancing houses. They are called dancing because they are not very straight, as you can see. Probably because some of them are sinking, right? We are assuming that they are sinking, or some of them. A boat tour in the Netherlands be like. Actually, all the houses stand on some wooden poles. And some of them are apparently going deeper.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
He is wearing a leather jacket, a rain jacket, and a pullover. No, nothing. Layering. Layering is the key to success in Holland. If you layer, you feel good. If you don't, you don't. It seemed to me that the weather changes multiple times per day, so it was a good idea to have practical clothes on. And we came to the smallest house in Amsterdam. In the past, taxation depended on the width of the house. That's why people try to build houses that are not very big. And this one is only like 2 meters in width, and there is a beautiful tea shop over there. And of course, we went to the red light district. Judging by all those shields and signs, the authorities tried to get the nightlife and possible questionable behavior under control. It's like a pretty normal residential district actually, so people also live there. It's also the oldest district in Amsterdam, and the reason is why all this prostitution thing got so popularized is because Amsterdam is a trading city with a huge harbor, and when sailors came home back then, they kind of wanted to, so that's why it just got so popular like from early days. And you can even find some restaurants hinting on this topic, like Old Sailor or something, at least I saw one. Well, the district gets its name from the red light windows where prostitutes advertise their services. Also, it's important not to film anyone as it is prohibited. The whole area is under surveillance. You'll also find quite a few museums and things to do there. Also, here is an example of some kids center being situated right in the red light district, so don't forget that it's also a normal residential area for some people. Here is another very peculiar house. It's only 1 meter in width. Its facade behind is like a little bit more spacious. And we also found out there is a cat shelter floating on water. I think that's one. So we're going to visit it as well. Amsterdam is famous for its canals, which collectively form the Canal Ring, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There are also a few other facts about Amsterdam that make it quite a unique city. For example, Amsterdam is known as one of the most bike-friendly cities globally. It has a long history of tolerance and acceptance. A lot of museums and coffee shops are there as well, but most importantly, it's just a very beautiful city that deserves your full attention. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.